Hello everyone, once again welcome to Jennifer Fitness Fuel. Let's start our topic. Maintaining a healthy diet can indeed have a positive impact on your sex life. A nutritious diet supports overall well-being, including hormone production, circulation, and energy levels. Here are some ways in which a healthy diet can supercharge your sex life. 1. Improved circulation. A healthy diet promotes good cardiovascular health, which ensures proper blood flow throughout the body, including the genital area. Increased blood flow to the genitals can enhance arousal and sexual response. 2. Hormone balance. Certain nutrients play a vital role in hormone production. For example, healthy fats like omega-3 fatty acids are essential for the production of sex hormones. Consuming a balanced diet rich in lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats can help maintain hormonal balance. 3. Increased energy levels. Eating a well-balanced diet provides your body with the necessary nutrients and energy. When you feel more energetic, you are likely to have better stamina and endurance during sexual activity. 4. Enhanced mood. A healthy diet that includes foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and omega-3 fatty acids can positively impact your mood. Feeling happier and less stressed can lead to a more satisfying sexual experience. 5. Weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for sexual health. Obesity and excess body fat can lead to various sexual problems, including decreased libido and erectile dysfunction. A balanced diet can help you maintain a healthy weight, which in turn can improve your sexual performance. 6. Increased libido. Some foods are known for their aphrodisiac properties and can potentially boost your libido. Examples include oysters, dark chocolate, strawberries, avocados, and almonds. While the effects of these foods may vary from person to person, incorporating them into your diet can add a fun and potentially stimulating element to your sex life. It's important to note that a healthy diet alone may not solve all sexual issues, as there can be other underlying factors. If you have concerns about your sexual health, it's recommended to consult a healthcare professional who can provide personalized advice and guidance. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.